Hi guys, this is a quick overview on how to add Twitter or X as an OAuth provider. So first of all, we will need to create a project. Here is it already created, and under the project we will create a new application. Let's set a application name. Here we have API keys and secrets. Let's set it on the Supabase side and enable the integration. We're gonna go to the app setting then. Now let's set user authentication settings. We will select read and write and direct messages, request email from users, web application, and then let's copy callback URL here. Also, the website is required, and terms and policy. Let's save. Right, now we have a temporary application up and running. Let's save our configuration on Supabase and let's test it. Alright, so we're gonna see our temporary application, authorize app, and now we have successfully logged in using Twitter, and as you can see, we are stacking providers once again. We have one user with the same email, and now we have 3 providers. This is it. Thank you very much.